Anyone can respond? What are static constructors and what are non-static constructors? Hello? Are you there, guys? I asked the question. What is a static constructor and what is a non-static constructor? I asked about constructor and why are you talking about a method, guys? I asked you what is a static constructor and what is a non-static constructor. If a constructor is declared by using a static keyword, that is a static constructor. Otherwise, everything is a non-static constructor. If a constructor is explicitly declared by using the okay, if a constructor is explicitly declared by using a static keyword is going to be a static constructor, or else by default every constructor is a non-static constructor. If you declare it by using a static keyword, that's a static constructor, guys. Otherwise, every constructor is by default a non-static constructor. Okay, so that's it. That's about it. So if any constructor is declared explicitly by using a static keyword, we call that as a static constructor. Otherwise, every constructor is going to be by default. Every constructor is going to be by default a non-static constructor. Guys, observe. I'm going to define a class with the name called constructors. Let me define a class here. We'll name this class as constructors. Observe this, guys. This is a static constructor. And this is a non-static constructor. Console.writeLine. Static constructor is called and console.writeLine. Non-static constructor is called. Are you guys clear? Okay. Now I'm also writing a main method in this. Guys, 2 days back we learned constructors are implicitly called or must be explicitly called. Constructors are implicitly called or must be explicitly called. Implicit is wrong answer. Must be explicitly called. Yeah. Constructors must be explicitly called. We have learned about this particular thing. We need to call constructors explicitly. Okay. So Constructors are implicitly called. We already discussed it. Sorry, constructors must be explicitly called. When we create the instance of the class, we call the constructors. Yeah. Now listen guys carefully. Yeah? Yesterday, earlier, what constructors we learned about non-static constructors. Today we are talking about static constructors, but earlier the constructors what I explained is non-static constructors. Now I'm telling you a new point, watch. Static constructors are implicitly called and non-static constructors must be explicitly called. Are you guys clear? Static constructors are implicitly called and non-static constructors must be explicitly called. Okay, watch it all of you. I did not write any code in the main method. I did not write any code in the main method. Main is an entry point, that's all. So for entry point purpose, I defined a main method. But still, if you notice, static constructor is called. Static constructor is called. Why? Yeah, explicit means on instance creation. Okay, static constructor is called here. Why? Because static constructors are implicitly called. Because static constructors are implicitly called. Okay, so I don't require to call a static constructor that is implicitly called. But when you come to this constructor is called only when you create the instance of the class, guys. So until and unless you create the instance, non-static constructors won't be called. Okay? What is that? Until and unless you create the instance, non-static constructors will not be called. But when you talk about the static constructors are called implicitly. When they are called? When static constructor is called? When the execution of the class starts. When the execution of the class starts, remember, when the execution of the class starts, static constructors are called. And one more thing, remember, why compile time here? Why compile time? Already I said you. Compile time, nothing will happen. Execution time only, everything will happen. Guys, listen. If you run the code now, first it will print you main method called a static constructor called a. Static constructor called. So now you'll have a doubt. What is the doubt? Sir, is the execution starting with a static constructor? No. Execution starts with main method. If execution starts with a main method, why is it printing static constructor called first? Because execution will start with the main method, guys. Execution will start with the main method. After the execution starts with the main method, first the control jumps to static constructor, executes the code in the static constructor, comes back and then executes the code in the main method. Did you understand? Execution starts with main method. Once the execution starts with the main method, control jumps to static constructor, executes the code in the static constructor. Once the code in the static constructor execution is completed, jumps back to main method and then executes the code in the main method. So starting point for the code is main method only. But execution always starts with static constructor. Are you guys clear? Okay. But till now, if you observe, non-static constructor is not called. Till now, if you observe, non-static constructor is not called. Why? Non-static constructor will be called only after creating instance. So if at all non-static constructor is to be called, I require to create an instance. Yeah, non-static constructor is called. And remember guys, every time I create an instance, will it call the non-static constructor or not? See, yeah. So how many times a static constructor executes in the lifecycle of a class? One and only one. One and only one, not one and only one. Okay. How many times a static constructor is called? Sorry, how many times a non-static constructor is called? Zero or n. Zero or n, yeah. Zero or n. That is the answer. Zero or n. Okay. What is the need of a constructor, guys? What is the need of a constructor? Yeah, you can create Kali Prasad. Wrong answer. To create the instance, wrong answer. For initializing the fields. Brainless fellows. To initialize the fields here, read the notes as I'm telling you. You don't do that again. The first point I said about a constructor is constructors are responsible for initializing the fields. Okay. So the responsibility of a constructor is to initialize the fields. To initialize the fields, we just go for calling the constructor. Constructors are responsible for initializing the fields. Now, yesterday you learned like fields are 4 different categorizations now. Static fields, non-static fields, constant fields, read-only fields. Yesterday we learned about fields are 4 different types. Static, non-static, constant, and read-only fields. Like this, we have 4 different types of fields available. Okay. Now I'll give you a clarity about it. Come on, guys. Read all these particular 4 points here. Yeah, you can have. No, static read-only cannot be there. Static and read-only are 2 different things here. Static means single copy, read-only means multiple copies. Static read-only won't be there. Guys, read these 4 points. Is it clear, guys? Okay, so that's what. So what is the what fields a static constructor will initialize? What fields a static constructor will initialize? Static and constant fields. What fields a non-static constructor will initialize? Non-static and read-only fields. Already yesterday we discussed like non-static and read-only fields will be initialized by that. Okay, guys. So that's what. Now, already we know that constructors can be parameterized now. Yeah, they can be parameterized. But if at all you just take static constructors cannot be parameterized, guys. Read this point, last point. Read the last point. Static constructors cannot be parameterized. Why? Because they're implicitly called. I don't have a chance to pass values to them. But non-static constructors can be parameterized. Why? Non-static constructors are explicitly called. Are you guys clear? Okay. So non-static constructors are explicitly called. Okay, fine. Next. Now answer this one, Gap. We already learned like every class will have an implicit constructor if not defined explicitly now. Every class will have an implicit constructor if not defined explicitly. Just a minute, guys.